Well, what we got right there, guys, is an undeniable cottonmouth. Y'all stay away from them, dogs. Stay away. Stay away. Now, different from a banded, you see that big old giant head, and that fat body, and that line right across his eyes. Peg him with my knife one time. Them bad boys right there. Yeah. You don't want none of that. So yeah, he's done. Glad to have him out of here. So you guys see me catch banded water snakes over and over again and say, hey, don't kill these guys. Well, this guy's not a banded. This is the Cottonmouth water moccasin. So, alright. So, there you go, guys. A little bit closer look there. Christian, hold the camera for me. You see all that venom right there coming out. Yeah. These guys are no joke. No joke. To look at them, and it looks a little bit like a banded, but I'll tell you that is, and I crushed its face pretty good. It's kind of hard to see, but you see how crushed down his eyes are, and that black line right there across his eye. That is, and if all else fails, those things are a dead giveaway. This guy's out here with my goats and my pigs and my dogs. I'm not down for that. So, he's gone now. So, guys, thanks for watching. Click like, share, and subscribe.